Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Wolf. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get free BNB smart chain BNB for free, and how you can also get an airdrop with it. So the BNB comes with an airdrop. Once you do the airdrop, once you claim the airdrop, you keep getting BNB for life. As long as the airdrop is still going on, you keep getting 4% BNB for life. So that can be around 0.002 BNB every hour. So you keep getting paid for claiming the airdrop every hour. So all right, before we get started, before I teach you how to claim it, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, because what we do here is we go online and find money making opportunities, then we bring them to you guys. As you can see, we are currently at 358 subscribers. So guys, please help us get to at least 1000 by the beginning of next month. So please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell if you are ready for unlimited money making opportunities, which most of them are free except some airdrops like that. So just please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you guys can stay subscribed for more money making opportunities. Now let's get started on how you can claim this. So I've dropped the airdrop link and everything in my Telegram channel, so you can subscribe to that also. Everything is already in Telegram channel, so just click the link in the description box to go to the Telegram channel, then copy the airdrop link and everything, so you can start earning BNB for free. All right, so what you just need to do is to copy this link here. Just copy it, then go to your trust wallet. So before you can claim this airdrop, you need to have a little smart chain BNB, about 0.9, about 90 cents or something like that, $0.9. So if you have it in your wallet and you want to start earning free BNB for life, just um claim the airdrop as soon as you can. All right, now so let's go to this. So let's just paste the link we copied, then click on go. So make sure for you follow the instructions in the Telegram post. Change this. Let's go back first. Change this to smart chain. Just click on this place and change it to smart chain. Make sure it's in smart chain there. So once it's in smart chain, you just click on airdrop. Let me first show you. So as you can see here, auto liquidity pool, they give that to this redistribution in BNB. For 4% of every buy and sell is taken and distributed to all holders. So once you are a holder of this coin, once you have claimed this airdrop, you keep getting 4% of the BNB claims. Like once somebody claims the BNB, they give you 4% of the BNB used to claim. So that's a good earning opportunity. You earn 4% BNB as long as the airdrop is still going. So once you claim the airdrop, once you have the coin, you keep earning the coin, and both the coin and BNB. So you can claim that if you want to. And as you can see, referral to get, once you refer somebody, you get 30% of the BNB the person used to get the airdrop, and you also get 70% of the Anubis airdrop. That's apart from the 4% of BNB that you still keep getting for life. So that is a very good money making opportunity. So just click on airdrop to claim it. So you'll be charged 0.9 cents. Oh, it's actually 0.89. So transaction fees may increase or reduce. So that's just for that. So if you can contact your financial advisor for any um financial decisions, so you don't, if you are not convinced about it, it's not compulsory. Just contact your financial advisor before making any financial decisions, because I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see, payment successful. So just click on OK. So I'm going to be showing you another one of my wallets where I've actually been earning some BNB from it already. So let's just click on this again, where it will still go. Okay, so we've claimed that. So let's go to our wallet now. um Anubis token. Okay, as you can see, so let's scroll down if it has actually appeared there. All right, so we need to add the token to the wallet to be able to see it. So just go back to the Telegram group, then copy the message. So we need to copy this. Just click on copy, then paste it somewhere so you guys can copy the contract address. So this is the contract address we need. Just copy it, click on copy, then go back to your trust wallet. So once you go back to the trust wallet, click on the top right icon here to add the token, then paste the wallet address, the contract address you copied. So as you can see, Anubis token, just switch it on there. So you go back to your wallet. So now that I switch it on, it will show you. As you can see, we have claimed 180 million Anub tokens. So as you have claimed this, the airdrop will be listed, I think, in 17 days. The airdrop will end in 17 days, and to be listed that's for the pre-sale and stuff. So it will be listed soon after. So you'll actually be able to exchange it for real money. Apart from, and that's apart from the BNB that you keep claiming here. You can get unlimited BNB from here every hour. You keep getting BNB in your wallet, so you can just keep checking your wallets for the BNB. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section, or if you're having troubles claiming the airdrop, just comment your problems in the comment section. If you need any help with it, comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you like this video, and see you in the next one.